Today, we're diving into the best IKEA organization finds 2025. I've put together my top 10 affordable IKEA organization finds, and I'll show you how each one can help keep your home neat and stylish. Stick around as I go through these budget-friendly storage solutions and share tips on how to use them. Some of them might just blow your mind. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button so you never miss another one. Let's get started. First is Lennart Drawer Unit. This slim and thoughtfully designed drawer unit fits seamlessly into small or narrow spaces, making it ideal for organizing any room. Each transparent drawer lets you instantly see what's stored inside, reducing clutter and saving time. Thanks to the smooth gliding casters, you can easily roll the unit wherever you need it, perfect for flexible, everyday use. Next is Stolthet Chopping Board. How can a cutting board be used as storage, you might ask? Well, people have found so many creative ways to hack this cutting board, turning it into one solution for multiple everyday needs. A lot of the time, a home feels messy simply because there isn't a dedicated place for small items on surfaces like kitchen countertops or desks. With this IKEA cutting board, you can neatly group together coffee supplies, cups, oils, spices, or even books, keeping everything organized. Next is Poliki Clip-On Basket. Easily expand your storage space with this convenient clip-on basket. It attaches neatly inside a cupboard or underneath a shelf, creating an instant spot for kitchen textiles, mugs, jars, or other everyday essentials. Designed to maximize cabinet space, it helps you keep items organized and within easy reach, whether in the pantry or a kitchen cupboard. Installation is simple and tool-free. Just clip it onto the shelf and remove it just as easily whenever you need to rearrange. Next is Kajuga Poof with storage. Versatile piece that works as a comfy footrest, extra seating for guests, and hidden storage to keep your space tidy. You can even combine several poofs to create a fun, customized setup. It comes in a compact package for easy transport and is simple to assemble, move around, and use anywhere in your home. Next is Invalning Trolley. This trolley makes it easy to create a flexible storage setup that can be moved whenever you need more space. Place it against a wall, under a desk, or even in the middle of a room. It lets you roll your items smoothly from one spot to another and is especially useful for moving larger or heavier boxes that are awkward to carry. 2 of the 4 casters can be locked, keeping the trolley steady when parked. A practical choice for smaller or shared living spaces, since you can keep everything together in one place and move it aside whenever needed. Next is Ikea Cabinet. This smart little cube is perfect for storing, displaying, or catching everyday items like keys and wallets. Use legs or feet to place it on the floor, or mount it on suspension rails to free up floor space. A single unit offers just the right amount of storage in a small area, and it can also be the starting point for a larger setup if your needs grow. You can place it on the floor or hang it on the wall. Whatever works best for your home. Next is Hema Fixare Storage Case. A soft fabric storage case that keeps your items protected from dust and dirt. It fits neatly in a wardrobe and has a side opening, so you can reach your things without lifting the box off the shelf. Thanks to the sturdy frame hidden inside the fabric, the box keeps its shape even when you stack several together. A smart way to make the most of every centimeter of wardrobe space and keep clothes, shoes, and accessories organized. Next is Trone's Shoe Storage Cabinets. This shallow cabinet takes up very little space, making it perfect for shoes, gloves, scarves, and other small items, especially in tight hallways or entrances. You can stack multiple units or place them side by side to create as much storage as you need. The recessed top gives you a convenient spot to drop keys, coins, or your phone when you walk in. The door is also easy to remove, making it simple to clean the inside whenever needed. Verriera Plastic Bag Dispenser. Keep all your plastic bags organized and easy to reuse with this handy dispenser. The openings let you quickly find and access the right bag when you need it. It's also great for storing gift wrapping paper rolls, umbrellas, gloves, or socks. Mount it inside a cabinet to keep it out of sight, but within easy reach. Perfect near your waste sorting area. Next is Snowspira 4-bottle wine rack. Keep your favorite wines neatly stored with the Snowspira wine rack. Its simple, elegant design looks great on a shelf or mounted to a wall. The rack holds up to 4 bottles, and you can combine several racks for extra storage. Made of durable steel, it's built to last and also makes a thoughtful gift for dinner parties. That's a wrap for today's new IKEA finds. Did you spot a favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another video. Thanks for watching and staying with me until the very end. See you next time.